TikTok affiliates has hands down been one of, if not the biggest opportunities in ecom this year, and it just got even easier. Ever since TikTok closed the loophole preventing anyone from opening a new shop, linking it to a page, and then getting instant access to affiliates, the competition has gotten exponentially lower, which means more sales and more profit for those of us that are able to get accepted. So how do you go about getting accepted then, and how do you actually make money with TikTok affiliates? Here is everything that you need to know from start to finish. To become a TikTok shop affiliate, you need a TikTok page with 5,000 followers. For those of you with pages under that, there are two methods essentially to get you there very quickly that actually work. So first and foremost, you can run ads to get followers, which is actually a lot cheaper than you think. Or you can clip other people's content and build a niche page around it. This does take a little bit more time and consistency, but it's practically free. You just have to pay the small monthly subscription to use the software. Now, I've done videos explaining both of these in depth, and I will link them at the bottom of the description for you if you want to check them out. Now, once you have 5,000 followers, here's what you need to do. So go to the upper right-hand corner on TikTok and click the TikTok Studio. The name of this has changed several times since I started, so keep in mind it might be slightly different for you depending on when you're actually watching this. Then, under monetization, you want to click TikTok Shop for Creator and apply. Once you're signed up and you're accepted, you can then start linking other shop products in your videos to earn commissions. The only other thing that you need to get accepted is to obviously be over 18 and apply with an identification number from a country that TikTok affiliates is allowed in. And since I know that a majority of you live outside the countries that it's allowed in, but you still want to do this, I partnered with a company that directly solves this problem for you. See, to apply and get accepted to both TikTok Shop and TikTok Affiliate, you either need a social security number or a business employer identification number, or an ITIN, also known as an individual taxpayer identification number. With an ITIN, you can set up a PayPal and a Stripe account from any country, and you can use sites like Amazon, Shopify, or TikTok in this case, and you can get accepted to pretty much all the marketplaces that US residents have access to from anywhere in the world. Now, an ITIN is 9 digits, just like a social security number is for US citizens, and you can then use that number to apply and sell on the platforms that sellers like me are able to without worrying about jumping through crazy hoops or pretending that you're someone that you're not. The ITIN.com is a service that will help you get an ITIN as fast as possible without needing to deal with the complicated government legal forms yourself that are always a headache. And most non-US citizens are outcasted and not able to make money on some of these sites like TikTok, for example, which is a massive opportunity missed. So if you're sick of watching videos like this, but you're unable to take advantage of any of these opportunities because of your country, they can help you get an ITIN easily by clicking the first link in the description, and you can use the code BRYANG to save some money fast too. Now, when I first heard about TikTok Shop affiliates, I wasn't too excited about the idea of being on camera and constantly pitching products to make money like a dancing monkey. But guess what? You do not have to. Many creators are making thousands of dollars every month by simply linking products in their TikTok videos, and they don't show their face at all. You don't have to be the personality on camera. You can make the product the focus of it if you do it the right way. But your strategy and your video, it doesn't matter if no one wants the product that you're actually promoting, which is why the most important step is to find a product that people actually want to purchase right now. By choosing products that people actually want and are buying right now, you can make everything so much easier, and you'll instantly do a lot better with a lot less friction. I've done several tutorials showing how I find products like this very quickly, so I'll link one or two at the bottom of the description for you again. Now, once you've identified a promising product, then it becomes about testing it with the videos on your page. There are several methods that I use to create engaging videos that actually convert these viewers into paying customers that click buy. All of these involve the initial testing phase of the product, right? The goal here is to get several videos up fast and as cheap as possible so we can prove the concept to see if our audience will actually buy the product or not. If after, say, 5 to 10 videos that are actually good, no one's purchasing, then move on to the next promising product and chalk that one up to an L. If you're able to get some sales with these methods initially, then great. You've made some initial money and you've proven the concept. But now is not the time to stop there. Now you want to double down on what you know is working and what your audience is actually buying. When you're trying to pump out videos quickly to test a product, I recommend doing one of a few things, right? Either record the videos yourself if you have experience with it, you want to do it that way, and you're good at it, right? This is the fastest way, and it's obviously free. Plus, you can order the product to you and record the videos. And if you're using something like Amazon Prime as a supplier, like I recommend in the beginning, to get these products to you very quickly so you can record, then it's a no-brainer. The video turnaround time is quick, and also you can return the product for free if you know how. Now, I've done a video, it was like 4 or 5 years ago, on how you can return any product for free on Amazon. So if you'd like to know how to do that, you know where it is. It's at the bottom of the description. Now, for those of you that don't want to do it that way, whether you lack the skills or experience, or you just lack the desire or the time to record the videos yourself, like I do, the next best options are to either use an AI tool like Creatify to create these videos for you, which can actually come out looking great if you use it right, or you can use a service like Viral Ecom Ads or Bands Off Ads and have them do the videos for you, which are a lot cheaper than you might think if you order them from their VIP programs. Again, I have in-depth tutorials on all of these tools, and again, they are linked at the bottom of the description. And of course, when you're posting these videos, you clearly need to make sure that you're linking the products in them, so if someone buys from your video, you get paid. So before posting a video for your product, you want to make sure that you've added the product to your shop showcase to actually do that. You want to click the little shop icon that looks like a shopping bag on your profile page, then click TikTok Shop for Creator Center, and then go to the product marketplace and search to find the exact product that you want to link. Then simply add that product to your shop showcase once you do, and now it'll be linkable when you go to post your videos. And then to link it, right before you click upload on a video, you should see that little add link bar that says products and more, and you can click that and then click any product that you've once added to your showcase and link it in your video. And that is exactly how you can make commissions as a TikTok affiliate. There are no secrets, nothing special. It's simply hot products, quality videos that are engaging and show the value of a product in a fun or innovative way, and ultimately trial and error. But I promise you, with this strategy and some consistency, you can crush TikTok affiliates. Hope it helps.